Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa. First, select your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe Roma tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget 1 or 2 jalapenos for a little kick. Ensure all your produce is washed thoroughly before you begin. This simple method ensures delicious results every time. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Roughly chop your tomatoes, onion, and jalapenos. If you prefer a milder salsa, remove the seeds and membranes from the jalapenos. Mince your 2 cloves of garlic very finely. This step is crucial for distributing the garlic flavor evenly throughout your salsa. A quick chop is all you need before blending. It's time to blend everything together. Place all your chopped vegetables, garlic, and cilantro into your food processor or blender. Add the juice of 1 lime and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to start. Pulse the mixture a few times until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer a chunky salsa, while others like it smoother. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your delicious homemade salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or use it to top tacos and burritos. For storage, transfer any leftover salsa to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to those darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing, fresh salsa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.